In today's video, I'm reviewing HGGrklinikken Hair Mask, a product that claims to offer deep nourishment and help with hair restoration. If you've been looking for an effective hair mask that can promote healthier hair, you've probably heard of this one. But does it live up to the hype? I'll be sharing my honest experience with the product and whether it's truly worth trying. First, let's talk about the packaging. It's sleek and professional, which gives a good first impression. The mask comes in a jar, which is typical for hair masks. The instructions on the label are simple enough, making it easy to understand how to apply it. The texture of the mask is thick but creamy, making it easy to distribute evenly through your hair. When I applied the mask, I noticed that it didn't have an overpowering fragrance, which was a plus for me. The application process was straightforward. Just apply to damp hair. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, and then rinse. After the first use, my hair felt soft and hydrated. However, I didn't notice a huge difference in terms of hair growth or restoration right away. The mask seemed to be more focused on hydration and nourishment, which is still a positive effect, but it didn't provide the drastic results I was expecting in terms of overall hair health and growth. Did you know people waste so much time just resetting passwords? I used to be one of them, until I found locker.io, and now I don't even think about it. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. In terms of long-term use, I'd say the mask works best when used regularly, but it didn't give me the dramatic transformation that some users might expect. While it's a good hair mask for regular use, especially if you're just looking for hydration and softness, I wouldn't say it's a miracle product for hair restoration. Overall, I'd recommend HGGrklinikken Hair Mask for people looking to add extra moisture and care to their hair care routine. But keep in mind that results may vary. If you're looking for a strong treatment to boost hair growth or repair major damage, this might not be your best option. Make sure to check out the links in the description for more useful resources and tips on hair care. If you enjoyed this review and found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more honest reviews and useful content. See you in the next video.